All right, and now moving away from sports to other stories that are making headlines. President Uhuru Kenyatta is hosting his Somaliland counterpart Musa Bihi Abdi amidst worsening relations with Somalia. The visit by the leader of the self-declared country seeks to give Kenya a platform through which Nairobi can have presence in Hargeisa, as it has no diplomatic presence in Somaliland. President Abdi jetted into the country for a 3-day state visit yesterday and was received by Agriculture CS Peter Munya and Foreign Affairs Chief Administrative Secretary Ababu Namwamba. Sudan's Prime Minister Abdallah